Good afternoon, traders. This is Henry. As we get into tonight's video newsletter, I thought I might ask, again, I don't do this too often, but if you are viewing this and you have found the analysis helpful, if you've made any money off of gold, off of that last rally, I would ask that you, like and subscribe these videos because it definitely does help. Helps other traders get good levels. And what I'm going to bring to you this afternoon is the decision that we have heading into Thursday. Now, I always try to come into this and tell you bullish or bearish, right? Pick a direction. But the truth of the matter is that we are dead in the middle of the zone, right? Today did not close especially well, but I think these may be the lows that we see for some time. Obviously, we get into a deeper correction, I'm going to look to modify that. But for now, I approach SPY looking at support at 550 and then using couple confluences for resistance. I like to compare the advance that preceded the decline. So you see how that move from low to high was a given point value. If this is the way that the market wants to rally, and it is to do it again, we measure that up into about 587.56. So a symmetrical move, take you up into that area, and then that is complemented by the 618 retracement of the decline. So from 613 down into that 550 spot, the 618 retracement is 588.95, and that creates a zone that I am quite confident we will test. Now, to say I really do think we're going to test that does not make an approximation in time, and that's why I have to come to you in tonight's video newsletter with some ambiguity. Maybe we come down here and fill this gap. Maybe we trade in an infinite variety of patterns that I don't see too much of right here. The big pop up was the relief rally after the witching expiration. Those witching expirations can definitely cause stocks to move, and that was the pop up. Again, I think bigger picture, that pop up helps illustrate the strength from here, and we work into this retracement zone. That doesn't mean it's from today's low. So again, watch for the gap fill. Maybe it's a little bit lower. If I get more clarity, you guys will be the first to know. Otherwise, these are your zones to keep in mind, and I think that'll help you bracket out the S&P. So I hope you find the view helpful. Have a great rest of your night. We'll see you in the room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.